Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn an interesting trick in Excel that allows you to hide sensitive text or numbers using stars. If you are dealing with personal information, financial data, or simply want to add a touch of mystery to your spreadsheet, this trick will definitely come in handy. So let's dive right in and learn how to hide text or numbers with stars in Excel.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
This worksheet shows the employee's name, their phone numbers, and the account numbers. I will teach you how to hide your text, phone numbers, account numbers using stars step by step, so don't go away and watch this video till end. We have the employee's name. If we want to hide a part of the name, we will write equal and then start our formula with left, then bracket start, and now the cell number in which the whole text is present, that is B4, then comma, and number of characters that we want to show. For example, if we want to show the first 5 letters, we will write 5 and then we close this bracket. After that we will write and in inverted commas the numbers of the stars that we want to show in these cells. For example, I want to show 5 stars, so I will write 5 stars in the inverted commas and then simply press enter button. Then for the rest of the calculation I have to drag and drop to the bottom. Another example is how we can show phone numbers with the hidden stars. So this time I will write equal and then left. After this I will start the bracket and now I will select the cell number from where I will get the data, that is phone numbers, and now I have to select that how many numbers I want to show at the start, so that are 4. After this I close this bracket and then I have to write and now I have to write the numbers of the stars or the numbers of the characters that I want to hide with the stars. So I want to hide 5 characters, so I write 1 2 3 4 5 and then inverted commas are closed. Then again I have to write and this time I have to write then bracket start, the source information and then the comma, and now this time the numbers of the characters I want to show at the end. So these are 2, then I close this bracket and press enter. Now I have to drag and drop for the rest of the worksheet. Apply this on the account numbers and I don't want to show the whole account number, then I have to hide the numbers with the help of star. So how we can do it? The formula start with equal sign. Now I have to write left and bracket is start, the source information number that is in the D4, then I have to specify the numbers of the characters that I want to show, that are 8. Then I have to close this bracket, write and after writing and I have to write in inverted commas the numbers of the stars that I want to show. So if I want to show 5 stars and then again I have to write and now I have to write and then bracket is start, the source information, cell number and the numbers of the characters that I want to show on the right side, that are 2, and then bracket is close and press enter to get this hidden number. After that drag and drop to calculate the rest of the values. And there you have it. You have learned how to hide text or numbers with stars in Excel. This simple trick can be incredibly useful when dealing with sensitive information or when you just want to add a layer of privacy to your spreadsheet. Experiment with different formats and characters to customize your hidden text or numbers even further. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.